Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Getting set up? Purchase your chosen canvas at an office supply or crafts store. Printable canvas comes in a variety of textures and quality. It should also be specifically designed for use with an inkjet printer. Gloss canvas creates a work of art equal to something you would buy. Important works of art or keepsakes will benefit from UV-resistant canvas. Search online to buy digitized art prints. Visit art supply stores, galleries, and museum stores to get an idea of what is offered. Select the fine art file you want for your new canvas print. Saved or scanned images will print directly on canvas. Make certain the file has good clarity and contrast at your desired size before making your final decision. Alternatively, use a photo from your computer. On a Mac, select Application. Edit the graphic file so it is the way you want it, and select your printer if it is not already chosen. Decide what size picture you want to create. Run a trial copy on plain paper to get the look and feel of the final product. You may want a border on all sides of your canvas if you're later turning it into a canvas print to hang. Loading your printer. Use the rear manual feed slot on your printer. This is your best option for fine art and canvas. It is capable of borderless printing and utilizes the entire printable area of each sheet. This is the feed on the back of your printer, not one of the ones lying on top. It can handle thicker sheets much better. Tape each strip of paper to the back of the canvas on the bottom, where it'll feed into the printer. They need to be flush against the canvas sheet and straight like a natural edge of paper. If they aren't, the paper will feed in at an angle. Printing your artwork. Feed the canvas into the printer. Insert the leader side first, with the paper facing up if it prints face up, of course. Make sure it's going in perfectly straight, too. Oh, and make sure your printer is turned on, there's enough ink in the colors you need, etc. Print the artwork. Let the canvas dry completely before you handle it in order to prevent smudging. You can then wrap the piece around a small box frame or other support to create a stretched canvas, original piece of art.